This is Bimmer Invasion 2023, an event tightly packed with some of the coolest BMW builds across the country. Whether you're into classics, modern, stance, performance, wagons, and even pickups, well, you'll find them all here. I'm Christian, and I was fortunate enough to have a booth to display some of my personal cars, meet some of my viewers, and sell some killer merch. Most importantly, I wanted to take you guys along for the journey and show off some of the highlights of the event.
You're the reason why I did this.
So I am currently at Bimmer Invasion 2023 here in Orlando, Florida. I got the car set up. I'm gonna give you guys a tour here in a bit. There's a lot of cars out here, a lot of vendors, a lot of very good energy. You guys recently saw the F30 get transformed. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. It's on display and people don't even know it's the clapper. But anyways, I'm excited to be here. I'll show you guys around for those of you guys that couldn't make it. Look who we got at the booth. Ali, sponsored by Red Bull. And then we got Mike handling the, what do I call this, a tent, a booth? A tent slash booth. I haven't given him a formal introduction, but he's the newest member of Vehicle Virals. What's going on? You guys have seen him in the past. OG. He's holding things down, selling merch, talking to people. That's Connor. Connor.
I'm in the background.
He's actually part of the crew, but he doesn't make it on video a lot, other than maybe the M5 video.
Yes.
But yeah, we're here, we're holding it down. Check out the new merch. Got one for the E90. And of course, we had to do the one for the wide body F30. These are brand new, they're not on the website yet, but they'll be available very soon in very limited quantities. I wanted to introduce it to the folks that are here at Bimmer Invasion first, but they will be available soon.
My son is finally at an age where he can truly enjoy nice cars, especially BMWs, so I decided to take him around first and get an idea of what he was really into.
Say hi to the camera, Cristian. Say hi. Hi.
He had similar taste to his dad, which I'm not really surprised. He was primarily paying attention to OEM Plus builds.
Look who showed up. And she's eating. What's up, yo? So the first car we have set up in front of our booth is Ali's E91. I'm not sure if you guys watch this channel, but you should subscribe if you haven't already. He got the top mount, single turbo, sleeper wagon. Woo. And of course, you know, this car has to attend every major show that I can make. It's the OG, it's a Le Mans Blue E90 that looks absolutely amazing underneath the sun. Got a few new touches here. We have the carbon fiber beauty cover, the Dock Race V2 manifold, very clean setup, not over the top, but I think it looks really, really good. Here's the front end. Yep, I still haven't added a front lip, but I think it looks good just like that. And of course, we had to bring out the F30, the insane transformation, something that I didn't realize would look so good with a wide body. As I've said in the previous video, I'm not a massive fan of it, but you know what? If I was gonna try it out, I was gonna do it the right way. I think the wheels, the tires, the wrap, the suspension, the carbon fiber diffuser in the back from AA Concepts, the GTL style headlights, just everything just worked out and it looks so beautiful. Everybody keeps pulling up not knowing that it's the F30 clapper, but it is, guys. It got an insane transformation in almost what, like 7 days? It's such an insane wrap and it's so aggressive looking. Now I just gotta work on the engine performance to make it match with the rest of the aesthetics and work on the interior as well.
To my surprise, I was neighbors with Keys Motorsport. You guys should be very familiar with him if you're into BMWs at all. Their G80 is a straight up superstar with tons, and I mean tons of money dumped into, and all I gotta say, it's very tasteful. As expected, this event was stacked with a bunch of G80 M3s. I mean, it makes sense, it's a hot car right now. Yes, initially they got a ton of hate, mainly due to the front end design, but I think it's grown on people now. I still prefer them in a darker color like this black because the front end kind of blends in better, unlike the brighter colors where the grills really stand out too much, and I'm just not a big fan.
Very clean F80 M3 sitting on BBS. I think that's Tanzanite blue. I'm not entirely sure, but it looks really, really good. Got an E92 M3, which looks absolutely gorgeous as well. Got some Volk racing wheels. Everybody's familiar with these wheels. Everybody wants them. E46 M3, which appears to be on Nardo Gray, maybe? Peep the fitment, guys. Oh my God. Looks like they added an over fender in the back. No, I think that's OEM. Man. Here's what the interior looks like. Man, this is very, very clean. And I think the red touch here for the 6-speed manual shifter is really nice. You got a Nardo Gray roll cage. Yeah, here's the best part. Sheesh.
If any of you guys have attended an event like this, you would know it's like heaven. Truly unique builds that you would only really see online, gathered all in one spot for us to drool over. For example, this Supra that is owned by Titan Motorsports. The team there seemed to keep raising the bar year after year with this build. A quick search online and you guys would understand what I'm talking about. This is a straight up beast of a car.
If you guys ever have a chance to come to one of these events, BMW Invasion, Bimmer Invasion, you guys should really check it out. If you like BMWs, you're gonna absolutely love what you see here. I mean, I see classics, modern cars, modified track cars, aired out, Camber Nation, all of it. It's just such an awesome event, and I've only seen maybe 5% of it. You know, we had to visit the CSF booth. Huge supporter of the channel. I've been selling their products on my website for about a year and a half now. A big fan, big believer. They've been able to help my cars reach new limits because of the cooling that their products provide. Very cool people. How we looking, Ravi?
Good, bro.
I don't think I've ever showed you on channel.
Virals. Here we are, man.
We're trying to do some big things
Florida,
here.
Orlando, we here.
Absolutely. You liking the weather?
Yeah, man, this is great. Wind died down a little bit, sun's shining. It's good, man.
Perfect, man. You got the BBS booth over here. It's a very interesting wrap on this F30. Has like flake to it, transition, kind of like color shift, like my F30 in a way. Never really seen this color in person. I think it looks pretty unique. Check out the emblem. Yeah, sparkle.
I decided to stop by and talk to the guys from Inductive. They make some really cool wireless charging solutions for various BMW models like the E46, E9X, and F30 chassis. In fact, I was intrigued by their offering so much that I decided to grab some units so I can test them out. I figured why not? It's a good way to modernize older BMWs.
And this is the infamous G84 that we saw at SEMA. A damn pickup truck. I believe this is just one of one as well, but it's literally a pickup truck that is capable of being practical. Look at it. This is pretty epic. This is why I like coming to shows like this, because you see some very unique stuff. Just look at it. And here's what the front end looks like. That's pretty much G80 with a cargo bag.
I remember attending SEMA and seeing the new Supra 6-speed manual introduced with this color. This has to be one of my favorite OEM colors offered by any car brand. It's a color you expect from vinyl wraps, but not a paint, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous.
You got an E30 M3. Freaking love that boxy design. I always told myself one day I'd get one of these, but I continue to dream about it and think about it, and the price just keeps going up. So we got the E60 M5. Where y'all V10 boys at? Probably at the mechanics, getting your car fixed because the lefty's stranded. I would definitely be afraid of this E30 right here. Those are R888s and they're meaty as hell. And the hood is closed.
On this car. If the goal of the car was to get my attention, it definitely worked. This car is definitely putting some serious power down.
How do you guys feel about the new 7 Series? This looks absolutely insane, and I don't necessarily mean that in a positive way. Just look at the front end. What is BMW thinking? Those are the headlights, guys. Or are those daytime running lights? These are the headlights. This is a pretty intense looking car. I do like the color of the interior though. You got like a crystal iDrive knob. Look at the dual screen integrated into one curved display. Very interesting.
These wheels you see on the G80 M3 are actually the ones I was going to rock for the F30 from BC Forge. It's a wheel choice you can't go wrong with, and they seem to look good on any car they go on. I ultimately passed up on them just because they were too popular, and I think they were just too common.
Look at that titanium from intakes. Yep, from Apex built. Dude, that E46 is epic. Look at that wide body though on HREs. Oh, man, that looks really, really good. You got the CES Motorsport Group. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They're known for their robust turbo kits for the N54. They've worked with Thick Whips, John over there. They got this really nice Supra just sitting outside. Super meaty tire setup. Yeah. Honestly, I'm not even entirely sure what's going on here. So we're gonna hit up the indoor VIP section. Look who I'm joined by. When was the last time they saw you on video?
My fat days.
Or when we were trying to teach her how to drive manual with the E46 M3. Anyways, we're gonna check out the VIP section.
This indoor spot was pretty legit. The location was great and the lighting was perfect. Definitely somewhere I'd like to showcase my builds in the future. Cars just look so much more aggressive when displayed indoor. Here's a perfect example. This is an M3 known as Nardo M3 on social media. Super famous on Instagram, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it before. Definitely one of my favorite builds from this chassis, and it just looks perfect inside.
Look at this BMW build right here. 900 horsepower to the wheel, and Flintstones power the engine. We finally made it to the inside section. E36 wide body, I think with that body kit, the same one from SEMA. What is it called? Live to Offend? Yeah, pretty intense. Massive turbo. I want to get her reaction to this car right here. Let's keep going.
The purple?
Yeah, let's get closer so you can see the details on the wheels and everything. What do you think?
Mazda for life.
Isn't that crazy? Look at the bolts. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Looking at these BMWs for frozen paint jobs is something else. Really makes me miss my frozen black M5. Sure, the paint is an annoyance when it comes to maintaining and cleaning the paint, but the amount of attention it gets makes it so worth it. The question you always get when owning a frozen car is it a wrap?
E60 M5. What's up? With a supercharger sitting up top. Oh yeah, SMG, black interior with red contrast stitching. We got a Ready 90. It looks almost similar to the kit that Ali had, minus the M4, M3 from Bumper. It's a very similar kit. The wheel fitment is good. We got some dress-up bolts, as you guys can see. Dock race manifold, done the right way. Still got the twins. You got the M18 cast valve cover. Man, carbon fiber covers. I've never seen that for the cowl system. Here's what the interior looks like. Very cool. And it looks like the kit is actually molded in. There's no hardware. Can't see where it was installed. And of course it's on airlift. That's so bougie.
Right next to the wide body kit E90 was another wide body E90, but this time not with an N54. I believe this is an LS swap. From all the content that I've seen online, this is a proper build that is very, very capable performance wise. Probably sounds mental as well. What's really cool about events like this is looking at cars like this E92 335. It's a car I never really thought I'd see in person. This is a definition of show car material. This car legit wins an award at almost every single show it attends, and I'm sure you guys can see why. Everything is modified tastefully, except maybe the front fenders that I'm not a huge fan of, but again, it's a show car, so it fits in. And I think he actually won the award for best car at this event. Imagine that, an E92 335 won the award. Respect.
All right, brother, what you wanted to show me?
Okay, hey, come this way. I'm gonna show you something that you did for me that no one else has done. You're the reason why I did this. And I will tell you that everybody on YouTube needs to see this.
All right, let's see it. I'll feel the suspense.
This is it. The Bay Optics. This is it.
Oh yeah. Bro, tell him again, bro.
The best thing I've seen so far. You can't go wrong with this. Look at this beauty.
Oh.
That's good.
Bro.
Okay, watch this. See it again? Now we got this, the Dazzle.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about,
yep.
bro.
Hey, this man right here made it happen for me, and this is what I got. My man. My man.
Look who it is.
Oh yeah.
My father made it with the OG E90 shirt. How you liking the event, pa?
I love it.
You love it? What's your favorite car of mine?
The blue one.
The blue one? Really? More than the M5? No, he don't like the M5 because I think he'll lose to it.
No, I love the M5.
He likes the M5?
I
Okay,
still like
the blue one? For sure, the E90.
Yep.
And on to the main event. After missing out on the exhaust competition, I figured I'd get footage of the Burnout Competition, which is, in my opinion, a tad bit more exciting. People were crowded up everywhere and cops were around to keep things sane, and I knew it was going to be epic.
the Burnout contest?
We're having a great time. Everybody's enjoying it. Everybody's from like different parts of the world, because people are from Germany, Canada, they're all enjoying it. But again, if you guys missed out this year, come on next year.
You gotta check out their channel too. Look at the rig.
Yeah, dude. Ronin. A7S3.
Killing it, bro.
All right, brother.
E60 M5 on anymore. E30, baby.
E60 M5, that 1G80, or that E30. Bro, that E30 was just intense. Pretty good. Burnout competition for sure. I think the E30 kind of took it. It's just a lot of sauciness going on.
That's pretty much it for Bimmer Invasion 2023 for Orlando, Florida, guys. Got the F30, the E90, the E91 in the booth. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all of you guys that came to say hi to me and help support the channel by buying some merch. If you guys enjoyed the tour of Bimmer Invasion today, make sure to hit the like button. It really does help out the channel. Subscribe for more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Till next time.